I want to always share to people is success is a journey, because I've seen many people calling me and say, I was so and so, but today I'm not there. And they only talk about the failures. They talk about where they are today and what kind of troubles they are going through. I always keep saying is, when you're able to achieve that before, why not now? Okay. In fact, you've got more experience. And if you go back to any particular person, let it be a film star, let it be any kind of successful people today, just go back and learn their history. Every person has come through challenges. So only the limitations what we put is in our mind. So when we open that limitation and just say, okay, sky is my limit, you can achieve it. And one more thing which I want to always keep saying is, never compare yourself with others. You are unique. You are unique. Only always ask this is, compared to yesterday, am I improving? And am I willing to learn? If you have this attitude, definitely your life will be an example for many people. Okay, this story is like this. A dog was very, very hungry and it said, okay, God, can you just provide me a meal? So immediately it saw a rabbit. Wow, it said, okay, so today I have a beautiful rabbit as a meal. So it started to chase the rabbit. The moment the rabbit saw it's been chased, the rabbit started to run, and again the dog started chasing. It was happening for some time. A point came in where the rabbit went into a small hole. The dog came near the hole and started to cry. The rabbit popped out and asked, why are you crying? The dog said, you're very small in front of me. But in spite of all that, I couldn't catch you. And the rabbit replied, you are actually running for your lunch, but I was running for my life. So my question to you is, are you running for your life, or are you running for your lunch? If you're running for your lunch, I think this video is enough for you. But if you're running for your life and say that I want to make a difference in my life, please do contact us and we will help you to succeed.